Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to add money to your PayPal with credit card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add money to your PayPal balance using a credit card, you need to first link your card to your PayPal account. Once linked, you can then transfer funds from your card to your PayPal balance. So to link your credit card, you need to simply go to your PayPal wallet, click link a debit or credit card, and after doing this, follow the on-screen instructions to link your card. After doing this, go to your wallet, click on transfer money and select add money from your bank or debt card. After doing this, enter the amount you wish to transfer and choose your desired methods. Once this is done, you need to confirm the transfer and you are all set to simply add money to PayPal with the help of your credit card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many upcoming and interesting videos.